Right, cover image prompt. This one is a fun one if you like creating images. All right, prompt. I just created your book genre for your audience. The story is about, give it brief book details. Now I want you to create me a back cover copy for my book with the aspect ratio of, and I listed the aspect ratios above. Now create the image in the style of whatever style you want, with the themes of your theme, and the setting of setting, with details focusing on whatever subject you want. You are in the driver's seat for this. You're not making it my way, you're making it your way. You can do it anyway, really. So what we're gonna do here, copy and paste this, and now we're gonna jump over to chat right here and paste. And now real quick, we're just gonna change this. Remember, fill in the blanks. I created a science fiction book for juvenile audience. The story is about blank, brief book details. All right, now let me show you the best life hack that you can use with chat. So right here, I just said, summarize these chapters for me, please. I need to give it to DALL-E, which is the image creator, details of my book. So it understands what I need to make my book cover look like. Write me a prompt of what my book cover should look like. Thanks. So I just did this, so it's a lot easier than having to write through an entire prompt of what the image should look like and what my book is about and everything like that. So I just made it summarize. And now what you will want to do is go through here. You want to fact check everything because, chat can throw in artifacts, which are false information. But for me, for the purpose of this video, I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to copy and paste this DALL-E prompt and throw it in the image creator and see what I get. The aspect ratio of, and now I believe we're making it on a Kindle ebook. So I want it, this Kindle ebook size. Should be very easy. Now create the image in the style of realism with the themes of, and now I need my themes, action, adventure, in the setting of, I am actually going to take this out because I don't have an answer for that right now. Focusing on Lucas. Cool. My story is about, and now let's see what chat gave me. You could do it the old method that I have in the website, which, you can use that, or you can just have chat write the prompts for you. So it just created an entire description of what this book is about, who it's for, what it's going to look like. Lucas with brown hair and brown eyes, displaying an aura that suggests the ability to manipulate time, which is insane. And Jeremiah, an older, I do want to make it correct, so African American man. Just trying to keep the details correct, I'm going to take out names because if you know ChatGPT, DALL-E, and names, they don't mix well. Boom. Let's see how this works. So image creation is actually a lot easier than you think if you get ChatGPT to write your prompts for you. But you need to have creativity, because while you can say, make me an image of a dog, like, where's the creativity in that? Like this, for example, could this be on a book? Maybe. It got the characters actually correct, but it got some of the text wrong, as you can see there. But you can just change it and be like, make them inside Jeremiah's shop, more realistic, more details. And now we'll see. But yeah, you just go here and you just keep practicing, trying to get better and better. A lot of learning this AI stuff is just training the bot and trying to get it better and better and better. And once you do that, it is so much better, because you can't just go from start to finish with one prompt typically, but you'll need something better. See, like this, that is actually really bad. Anyway, you'll want to use something like this and, change the style. Like, I could go down here and say, I don't like this style, change it. But you can just use this right here, download. And now let's say you want to edit it. You want to throw your name in. So you want to go to canva.com. This is what I use to edit my book. If hopefully you didn't notice, but if you look closely in the cover, you'll notice that Lucas has a sixth finger. It's not very noticeable, but it is kind of funny. That's just a little Easter egg out there. Canva has like everything. Yeah, so notice right here, I'm able to grab my image. And so right here, you just want to drag and drop your image and click on it and just resize. For some reason, I don't know why, but the aspect ratio is off, which is why it's kind of cutting out. I don't know why that's happening. I'm really sorry, but I will look into it in the future and I'll tell you what's going on. But yeah, as you can see, you just created your image prompt and I showed you how it's not that hard to do. So hopefully you learned something from this. Thank you for watching.